Mae Bangor 1876 wedi codi i gyngred y gogledd ar ôl gorffen y tymor dwytha yn ail y tu ôl i Dinbych. Ac ar ôl esgyn i'r ail haen roedd y ddau glwb yn cyfarfod yn Antborth bnawn Sadwrn a'r dinasyddion darodd gynta gyda Sam Jones yn rhwydo wedi llai na 4 munud. Trodd y sgoriwr yn grewr ar gyfer yr ail gol. Sam Jones yn sgipio heibio i Craig Rogers cyn gyrru mewn i'r cwrt a gosod y bel ar blat i Jamie Petri, gael dyblu'r fantais i Fangor. Bu bron i Fangor gladdu'r drydedd cyn yr egwyl. Sam Jones yn ei chanoli unwaith eto, ond ergyd Corrig McConigel yn gwiro oddi ar y trawst. 10 munud wedi troi ac roedd Dinbych nôl yn y gêm ar ôl i Craig Pritchard greu chydig o le iddo'i hun ar ymyl y cwrt cyn cremanu ergyd hyfryd dros ben Carl Jones ac i gefn yr hwyd. Roedd Bangor wedi ennill i 2 gêm gyngrau'r flaenorol ac yn benderfynol o gadw'r record berffaith i fynd. A bu'n rhaid i Aaron Jones fod yn effro i rwystro cynigyn o bell gan Joe Sullivan a Liam Morris cyn i'r chwiban ola gadarnhau bod Bangor yn aros ar y brig.
Not really best pleased with the second half performance, but you know, at the end of the day, as you've just said, we're 3 wins for 3 now. If you would have said that to me at the end of last season, I would have told you there's no chance. But now look at it, you know, we're sitting top of the league, we're doing really well, and things can only get better, but we cannot get too far ahead of ourselves. You know, it's only 3 games, but there's a lot more still to play. And then hopefully we'll just see where things end up at the end of the season.
A ni ddechrau reit slod i gwir, ond o ran y perfformiad a'r agwedd yn medru yr ail hanner, dwi'n meddwl, allai'n cwyno fod am yr hoci yna. Ond, dyn ni methu concede goals fel yna. Ond o ran perfformiad, o'n i'n meddwl dwi'n wych, o'n i'n lot gwell tîm nhw. Mae'n anodd diffendio yn erbyn tîm sydd jyst yn hitio'n hir i Sam a Corrig. Dau ymysodol mor dda, mae'n anodd diffendio yn erbyn nhw. Ond, o ran pêl-droed, o'n i'n meddwl yn bril heddiw.
I think the 2 of us were in a bit of a lose-lose situation today. Obviously, if one of us wins the game, it's just a game between the 2 promoted teams. But you know, at the end of the day, I think the first 2 results have meant a lot in terms of the stature of the league. But this one means a lot because of the way that we've performed against Denbigh in the past, and we have performed. That first half today was really good.
O ran pan dyn ni efo'r bêl, dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n bril, mae gen i hocio talentog sy'n gallu troi a creu bethau, ond o ran amddiffyn, mae gen i dipyn o bethau weithio ar y dyna. Dyn ni wedi cael sgwrs, dipyn o sgwrs fanna jyst yn trafod yn yma, so gobeithio, dyn ni'n siŵr o well y bethau.
Yeah, it was really tough. I mean, they're a really good side. I think we've built up a bit of a rivalry from last season because ultimately I think they were a better team than us last season. But, you know, we turned up, we played the way we can play, and I think we did really well first half. We got the game won.